Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a public key onto DocuSign. So what this basically is you have a public key and you have a private key. The public key, you will simply upload this within DocuSign while keeping the private key on your PC. This is going to allow you to have an extra level of security to ensure that you keep your DocuSign account safe and secure. So how do you go ahead and find this? Click your account on the upper right, then click on manage profile. Under the profile section on the left side here, you have privacy and security. You click on that and scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's an option for certificate. It says add an additional level of security by storing a public key in CLM and the corresponding private key on your computer. And so if you click on manage, you can quickly go ahead and upload the public key by clicking on that, then upload the key. So you click on open, you're gonna find that public key that you have and open it, and it's gonna allow you to add it there. But that's pretty much it, guys. You can use this for authentication instead of a password, especially when you're trying to authenticate for SFTP interactions. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.